Welcome to the Bal Govindam Learning app. So, children, today's work is of English. So, you have to do the practice of I in your note copy. Okay, let's start writing. In workbook, you have already done the practice of I. In phonic, we will pronounce I as E. Okay, so take a look. Let's start writing. First, we have to give the two dots. First in second line of blue and the other in first line. So your dot will be in slant. Okay, so please make your dot first in your note copy like this. Okay, आपको सबसे पहले डॉट बनाना है. ऐसे करके डॉट बनाना है आपको स्लांट में, फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड. एंड आई विल बी, आपको दोनों ये आई दो लाइन के बीच में ही लिखना है, ब्लू लाइन में. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. First, put your pencil on the blue line, on the second blue line, and take upward in slant way. Okay, then come down like this and take a curve. Okay, and it makes I. Okay, and on the top you do the dot. Come to the next. Put your pencil upward, down to the blue line and little curve. E. I says E. 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 Whenever you write, please speak and write in phonic way. E. I says E. Ice cream. Okay, ice cream. I says E and E says ice cream. Okay, complete. E. 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 I says E. I says E. I says E. I says E. So you have to complete this page writing E. Okay, this whole page, and in the other on the next page you have to write E. Okay, 2 page you have to practice for E like this. Okay, So please speak while writing. So in this pattern you have to write E. Okay, first you have to give the dot on the blue line. 2 dots you have to put the 2 dots on the blue line in a slant pattern. Okay, like this. Okay, and complete writing E like this. Okay, E, 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 and E. Okay, so this page you have to complete. So there are 2 pages of E. Okay, alphabet E. So you have to complete this page writing like this E. Okay, so please complete this 2 page of E. Okay, by the help of your parents. Okay, thank you.